Hello everyone! So today I'll be showing you how to make Aloo Bukhara or dried plum chutney. You would need 7 ounces of 200 grams of dried plum, 1.5 cups of sugar, half a teaspoon of pink salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, 4 to 5 green cardamoms that you will make into a powder, 2 tablespoons of melon seeds, 1 tablespoon of chopped almonds, 2 to 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1.5 to 2 cups of water. In a pot, as you can see, we've added dried plums, 1.5 to 2 cups of water, and sugar. Let it cook on medium heat until it boils and sugar is dissolved. Now that it's started to boil, lower the heat and cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until plums are plump and soft. Next, add the pink salt, black pepper, chili powder, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. In plums mixture, add cardamom seeds, melon seeds, and almonds. Cook until it reaches your desired thickness on low heat. At the end, add vinegar and turn off the heat. Put in a jar when it comes to room temperature and refrigerate. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.